Hello everyone, welcome back to Cloud Wars Minute. You know the promise here, you give us 3 minutes and we'll give you some unique insights into the greatest growth market the world's ever known. Interesting now, as Q1 results roll in, it's very clear that Microsoft is the largest cloud provider by far. There's no comparison, much bigger than Amazon, and Microsoft is growing faster than Amazon, so the lead between the two is growing. In Q1, Microsoft's cloud business had $17.7 billion in revenue. Amazon's web services did a great job at $13.5 billion, but they're just not as big as Microsoft, and Microsoft's growing faster. This spread has been opening up for some time. Well, I take my hat off to AWS. They're doing a great job across the board, but something is different in what the two companies offer that allows Microsoft to not only continue to keep its lead over AWS, but actually be growing that lead over AWS. And I think it is Microsoft's widespread focus on software, right? From applications, platform, AI, Power Platform, the things they're doing with Azure, security, Dynamics, Teams. I mean, the list goes on here. They're a full stack company up and down the line. AWS is doing a great job in trying to move into some of those areas, but it's very difficult because of the penetration Microsoft has from the desktop all the way back up to the data center and even into the on-premise world. So just want to point this out. You've seen a lot probably saying that AWS is the ruler in the cloud, they're ahead by a big margin. That is not true. In the specific category of infrastructure it is, but not overall. Look at this number. If you take Amazon, AWS, cloud revenue for Q1 and add on Google Cloud, which also had a fantastic quarter, that gets you $17.5 billion. That is still smaller than Microsoft's revenue for the cloud in Q1. So the last thing I'd offer here is think about Microsoft and AWS in 2021. They're going to combine for somewhere close to $140 billion in cloud revenue. So fantastic job by both companies. I just wanted to point out here that Microsoft is the leader by a large margin and is actually continuing to take additional share there. Now, I think the big thing about this for all of us to think about is the whole digital economy is racing at us faster than ever before. There is an insatiable demand among businesses from the board to the CEO, all through the C-suite on down, for companies to move into the digital economy and into the digital world as quickly as possible so that they can deliver the great types of experiences that customers are demanding these days from every facet of how they want to do business with the companies that they're working with. It's a very different world than what it was just a couple of years ago, and I don't just mean in terms of what has happened and continues to go on with COVID, but rather the overall business climate's radically different. Microsoft has embraced it and is hitting on all cylinders here. AWS doing a great job, and so is Google Cloud. The fact is Microsoft is just executing like few companies ever have. Thank you for being with us here at Cloud Wars Minute, our daily news and commentary show. Hope you have a great day.